Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can let Coggle auto-arrange branches inside your diagrams and flowcharts. For example, to let Coggle reorganize them. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your diagram and let's assume you have, I don't know, a diagram like this here with that label here, example, and with a couple of connections and branches. So what you need to do, guys, is right click into the given label, and from there select auto arrange from that wheel here. And that is going to reorganize these branches, each one now with looking like this here. So in my opinion, it looks pretty well organized, but you of course can customize these and add more labels to these branches or create new branches here and so on and so forth, guys. And after that, click into this starting label here, right click, select auto arrange, and let it reorganize it again. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.